Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. I hope you had a great reading week. It's just the end of reading week while I'm doing this recording and we're getting a lot of snow, so I'm sure those of you that like snow are very happy, and those of you that don't are like me and just trying to stay warm and inside. This week we're going to start to talk about sealants and traumatic injuries. So you will notice that in our week 8 folder, the outcomes are there. There's feedback for the kids' books. I tried to give everyone individual feedback, and then I've put some common things in here for you to put towards the rest of your book. So there's 2 unit folders for you to go into. Unit 12, sealants. Make sure you go in and look at the PowerPoint, look at our protocol. There's fact sheets there for sealants, and then 2 videos to watch. And then back into the week 8 folder, traumatic injuries has its own folder. There's PowerPoint, again a fact sheet for mouth guards. There's an article to read with some questions, and then there's a couple of links here. This link is more for your information and to give you more reading around trauma. And then this one is the Sick Kids Injuries Resource, and there's a couple of questions here for you to answer. That then sums up basically week 8. So you can go back to the week 8 folder, look at assignment 2 again if you need to, and then look at your weekly checklist. Make sure you've listened to this video, looked at the PowerPoints, made notes, watched the videos that there are posted, looked at the links, answered questions, completed the quiz, which will open on Thursday. So it always opens after class, and then you will have until Sunday to do it. And then attend class this Thursday and continue to work on assignment 2. I'm going to soon be introducing assignment 3, likely next week. And we're getting close. We're getting close to more than halfway through the course and more than halfway through our content. So it's exciting, and again, I hope that you had a really great week. I got lots done, got your marking in. As you will see, your marks are posted for your assignments that you did in this class. And now you can focus your efforts on assignment 2, which is the rest of the fact sheet booklet. And you will be handing that in to me. Don't forget, when you look at the assignment, make sure you review it before you continue working on it so that you feel confident that you are doing everything that you can to get the best marks possible. So make sure that you look through all the topics. And again, the adult book will have everything, all of the topics in it, all 18. You can also add topics if you feel the need, so don't hesitate to do that. And then read through what you have to do. Remember, you're each going to hand in a binder. You're each going to hand in one binder for your group, but both binders need to be present the day they're due so that I can check it off that they're both completed. So that's this box here. Make sure you read that. And then the times will be set up for you to hand them in to me in my office. If you have any other questions about that assignment, don't hesitate to ask me. And I'm just going to go back to the weekly learning here, make sure that we've looked at everything. And I think we have. So that quiz that's going to be this Thursday, remember it is on, I just have to look at my notes. It is going to be on fluoride, nutrition, and whitening. So from those units, any questions from there will be possible. This quiz is worth 4%, so a little bit more than your quizzes past. And it will open Thursday, and it will be available in this weekly folder, week 8. It'll be down near the bottom. All right, have yourselves a great week. Welcome back.